Hi, my name is Addie Bryant, and I'm here to talk about an affiliate opportunity called Best Easy Work, which was started by insurance agent Martin Ruiz. And the basis of this program is a health plan and a dental plan. And you can join this site for free, and the owner answers all your calls and closes all your sales. And your only job is to get as many eyeballs to your site as possible. And not only does Martin close all your sales for you, but he also regularly sends out these email blasts to the whole Best Easy Work team. So in these emails, which brings me to the reason that I'm recording this from my Gmail account. As you see here, I have an email open from Martin Ruiz. And in this email, he has tips and tricks. He has it packed full of tips and tricks on how to promote Best Easy Work and earn as much as possible, as quickly as possible. He has lead sources, just to name a few, and this is not even the tip of the iceberg. He has ways to promote on Craigslist without getting flagged and for free. He also has business loans. But the main thing I'm here to let you know about, if you haven't read these emails, if you're a member now and haven't read these emails, is the coupon promotion. It's a generous coupon promotion that he has on for an indefinite time. I don't know how long this is going to last. But for now, if you're not a member of Best Easy Work, you can join for free, or you can promote this to your members if you're a member now. And they can join, say, for $38. They can join and be instantly upgraded to the the $88 level, excuse me. And for $88, you get a promotion or a commission of $50 for everyone who joins you at the $88 level. You can join right now for $68 and you'll be promoted to the $188 level and receive a $120 commission for everyone who joins you at that level. You can sign up right away for $95 and instantly you'll be on the $288 level and be eligible for commissions of $200. For a $175 join-up fee, you'll be at the $500 level and you're eligible for commissions of $350. Now these promotions go all the way up to the $5,000 level, which if you join for right away, you would pay, and if you pay $1,800, it would put you on the $5,000 level, and you would be eligible for commissions of $4,000. And these commissions pay overrides of $30, $50, and $100 at the highest level. And if you are a paid member already, if you're already a paid member, say if you're at the $288 level and you can upgrade now for $100, and that will put you at the $500 level, and you will be eligible for commissions right away of $350 for whoever joins you at that level. And also you'll be eligible for the overrides, which, as I explained before, I think that if my memory serves me right, They go from anywhere from $30 to $100, depending upon what level you are at. So if you're interested in this promotion, and I don't know how long it's going to last, because he did say it's indefinite and he could pull it at any time, please sign up as soon as possible, and I'll leave the link in the description bar with the promotion code. And guys, this site, he also has other tips and promotional tools on here. And with these promotional tools, you can promote them with the Best Easy Work site or promote them on their own, and you earn a commission with those promotional tools. So the promotional tools, most of them, also have money making opportunity within the promotional tools, and that's what I love about this site. So that's why it's of you can't explain the value. It's the site that keeps on giving. So if you would like to join me, I will leave my link and my coupon code in the description bar. And also, if you are into doing your promotion on Facebook, I also have a blueprint that teaches you how to promote on Facebook. And for anyone who joins me and becomes a paid member, I'll also give you that, send you a copy of that blueprint. Thank you.